Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to provide answer of multiple choice question of chapter number 5, that is application of computer science, along with the short response questions. Question number 1 is fluid flow sensor is a type of environmental sensor, industrial sensor, motion detection sensor, and climate control sensor. The correct answer is industrial sensor. That is option B. Question number 2. The cloud model that provides services to multiple organizations is known as public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud. Because it provides multiple organizations, then it belongs to the community cloud. The cloud model that provides best security of data is public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud. The correct option is private cloud, because best security is in private cloud. Exchange of information between IoT devices and end user is provided by cloud computing, big data analytics, embedded system, or communication protocol. The correct option is communication protocol, that is option D. Question number 5. The blockchain network that is most difficult to set up is public blockchain network, private blockchain network, permissions blockchain network, and consortium blockchain network. The correct option is consortium blockchain network, that is option D. Question number 6. The blockchain network that is open for everyone to join is called public blockchain network, private blockchain network, permissioned blockchain network, or consortium blockchain network. The correct option is public blockchain network, because it's open for everyone. Question number 7. The sensor used to prevent unauthorized movement in restricted area are called environment sensor, industrial sensors, motion detection sensor, and restricted area sensor. The correct option is motion detection sensor, because unauthorized movement due to this one. Question number 8. Sensor used for measuring humidity, air quality, air pressure, temperature, and wind speed are called environment sensors, industrial sensors, motion detection sensor, and measurement sensors. The correct option is measurement sensors, that is option D. Question number 9. Software that is permanently installed in an electronic machine is known as system software, application software, machine software, and fourth option is firmware. The correct option is called firmware. Question number 10. A digital ledger of transactions shared and maintained by network user is called database, accounting software, blockchain, network ledger, that is called a blockchain. That is option C. Short response question and answers. Question number 1. How IoT can enhance our daily life? IoT enables smart homes, remote monitoring, wearable health devices, and real-time alerts, making daily life more efficient and automated. Question number 2. Provide 3 examples of WSNs used in IoT systems. Smart agriculture sensors, home security sensors, home security system, health monitoring systems. These are the 3 examples where you can use IoT WSN used in IoT systems. Question number 3. Differentiate between public cloud model and private cloud model Public cloud model. Services are provided over the internet and shared among users. Private cloud services are maintained within organizations' networks with a higher security and control, that is called private cloud. Question number 4. What is blockchain? Why data stored in blockchain is secure? Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger where data is stored in blocks and linked chronological. It is secured because each block is cryptographical, hashed, and tamper resistant. Question number 5. Why integration of blockchain and IoT is beneficial? Because it ensures secure, transparent data exchange between devices, prevents data tampering, and provides decentralized automation. Question number 6. Define permissioned blockchain network. A permissioned blockchain is a type of blockchain where only authorized participants can join and validate transactions, providing more control and privacy. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And thank you. Jazakallah khair.